Explain myself.
Louisiana shit. Murder on the beat. Sophie oughta cut up to you. Yeah. Everybody get your
You can meet me at my hotel with nothing on under your trench coat.
Afternoon. So I'm going to this place that they do DIY thingies. You can make a ring, you can make pottery, you can just make anything DIY. So I saw it online and that's where I'm heading to. So I don't know if they'll be open. It's a bit late because I got off work a bit late. It's currently 7:30. I don't know what time they closed, so come with me as we go to that place. It's not actually like that far from where I am, so come with me as we go to try do DIY stuff. And yeah. Good thing is I'm there and it seems like they are open, so let's see. There's actually some cute art here. This poster for Merry Christmas, I don't know if you can see it. It's so pretty. These little houses. I don't know what time they close. Oh my god, they close at 9. I don't know if they'll accommodate me now. Let me ask. The inside looks like. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Ni hao. There's nobody here. Hello. The cute art thing. Oh, this is a phone. Oh, wow. So cute. This is lovely. This is so nice. Yeah. Have a plate. Oh, okay. It's difficult. Expensive.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Well, for now, I come for this. This I love. Yes. This what to make rings.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's so pretty. They also make rings. Wow. Okay. This is actually cute. Okay. This side. Oh, I know, to make a bracelet. And then you put this here. Yeah, bracelet. Wow, so cute. Make bracelet, you can make a chain. This is actually very nice. Wow. I love this. Okay. Yeah. This is very pretty. Wow. Oh no! Sorry. Oh, you also make candles?
Yes.
Oh. How much to make candles? 86. Oh, this pricing here.
This one.
Okay, they are closing, but they said they open at around 2 and they close at around 8:30. So if I start now, we won't even finish. So I'll just book a time to come here. But they have nice art. Literally, look. What is the inside, you guys? Hi, how are you guys doing? Merry Christmas from this side. It's not really Christmas, but it's December. So come with me as we go for a birthday dinner. Yeah, these are our views. Have a Christmas tree behind us. Say hi. Good morning. How are you doing today? So I have several packages I want to unbox with you. So I actually from receiving them down. So I just thought I should just unbox with you. So unbox with me these few packages, just the usual casual things that I buy in online for the house. So let's unbox this first. Yeah, before things pile up. Lately I've been feeling like I want to fall sick, like I have kind of a sore throat, and also my skin is reacting to, I don't know what it's reacting to, but I'm breaking out a lot. I don't know why. So I also want to make tea, Chinese tea. Yeah, so I'll unbox this first and we can make tea. Wow, this is coconut oil. I ordered coconut oil. It looks like this. Yeah, it looks like this. I ordered a few essential oils for my hair. So I usually put coconut oil, castor oil, jojoba oil. So my coconut oil had ended. The next one, I have these spices. I ordered cumin and black pepper. These are essentials, and since we're in the festive season, people are cooking and you have to have this. Like, this is cumin and black pepper. They look like this. I think the bottle is cute. The next one is, this is shampoo, if I'm not wrong. I had neglected my hair care. So I was like, hey, when I get this undone, I don't have nothing to treat my hair. So, oh my god, this is conditioner. Shampoo and conditioner. But I ordered shampoo and conditioner. Why do I have only conditioner? This is conditioner. This is Cantu. I use Cantu. But I actually had ordered shampoo and conditioner. I don't know what happened. I'll ask them online. The good thing about online here is that they are not thieves. When you actually text them back and tell them, I received this and this is the order number, they'll resend it. They'll, like, you know, if something was not brought, they'll bring it. If something was lost or something is damaged, you just tell them. They'll refund the money or something. So the next one is this beanie heart. I just ordered this one because I felt it will be so cute, because it's cold outside, and yeah, just for style, you know. It's a beanie hat, and it's from the brand Sikiki. It looks like The style that I am in cannot allow it, but I think it's cute. It's a cute color. Yeah, we have these. The next one we have this. This is my Christmas clothes. I don't know if I should unbox it with you though. Okay, I could give you a gist on how it looks like. I wanted to gift myself also for working hard and for, you know, making it through all that while from January to December, which is not by grace, it's not by my strength, but it's by God's grace. So I acknowledge God first. Yeah, this is how it looks like. You'll just see me wearing it. So yeah, I ordered in XL, so I hope it fits me. Anyway, that's it for my mini unboxing. So the next thing, I just want to cook the Chinese tea because I feel some sort of sore throat coming in, and I want to treat it because we can't be sick in this festive season. So let me catch you up when I'm drinking that tea.
I love you when